Welcome to our ultimate graphics card showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular graphics cards, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 and the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. We'll dive into their specifications, performance in gaming, and overall value for money. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this comparison will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 offers decent performance for older games, making it a budget-friendly option for casual gamers. However, it struggles with modern AAA titles due to its older architecture and limited VRAM. On the other hand, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti excels in modern gaming, providing smooth frame rates and supporting advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS, making it a top choice for gamers seeking high performance. When it comes to specifications, the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 features 8GB of GDDR5 memory and a core clock speed ranging from 1284 to 1750 MHz. In contrast, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti boasts 16GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of 2685 MHz, providing a significant advantage in performance and future-proofing. The RTX 4060 Ti also utilizes a newer PCI Express 4.0 interface, enhancing its compatibility with modern motherboards. Price is a crucial factor for many buyers. The SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 is priced at just $119, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti comes with a hefty price tag of $514. While it offers superior performance and features, potential buyers must weigh whether the investment aligns with their gaming needs and budget. In conclusion, the choice between the SHOWKINGS Radeon RX 580 and the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti ultimately depends on your gaming preferences and budget. The RX 580 is a solid choice for casual gamers who play older titles, while the RTX 4060 Ti is ideal for those seeking cutting-edge performance in modern games. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming content.